Right now, billions of conversations, transactions, and decisions are happening across the globe, all carried by invisible signals, silent cables, and vast digital networks. The infrastructure making all of it possible belongs to one indispensable industry. Welcome to Telecom and ISP the Telecom. And ISP industry is the connective tissue of the digital world. It encompasses mobile network operators, broadband providers, network infrastructure companies, and ISPs, all delivering the voice, data, and internet services that modern life depends on entirely. As remote work, cloud computing, smart devices, and online services become embedded in every dimension of business and daily existence, the pressure on this sector to deliver faster, more reliable, and more intelligent connectivity has never been greater. In telecom and ISP, data analytics is the intelligence layer that keeps billions of connections performing flawlessly. Customer behavior data powers personalized plan recommendations, improving satisfaction and reducing churn. Predictive models identify at-risk subscribers weeks before they consider switching, giving retention teams the window they need to act. 5G is generating data volumes that only advanced analytics can manage effectively. AI-powered networks now self-optimize in real time, dynamically allocating bandwidth and rerouting traffic without human intervention. Edge computing pushes intelligence closer to the user, dramatically reducing response times. And network slicing allows telecom providers to deliver customized, guaranteed performance to enterprise clients, unlocking entirely new revenue streams. The evolution of global connectivity is creating a wave of high-demand, technically sophisticated careers. Telecom data analyst, network performance analyst, customer experience analytics specialist, 5G infrastructure consultant, churn analytics manager, IoT data engineer. These roles are at the frontier of how the world stays connected. Whether you are entering the field for the first time or advancing into a more strategic role, expertise in telecom analytics will place you at the center of one of the most critical industries on the planet. Connect your future with analytics learners. Learn analytics. Launch your career.